In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly plus Zoom, 5 minutes. By the end, your Calendly events will automatically generate Zoom meeting links, so guests get everything they need in a single invite. Start by opening your browser and heading to calendly.com. Click Log In, then enter the email you use for Calendly, and continue with your password. Use your usual sign-in method, and once you're in, you'll land on your Calendly home. Next, we'll connect Zoom. From the Calendly dashboard, look for Integrations and Apps. Open it and find Zoom in the list of available integrations. Calendly will ask who you want to connect Zoom for. Choose to connect for your organization if you manage a team and want the integration available at an account level, typically requiring admin permissions. Otherwise, pick Connect for Myself to link only your personal Zoom account. Calendly will send you to Zoom's sign-in page. Log into Zoom with your credentials, review the permissions, and confirm to complete the connection. When Zoom reports that the connection is successful, return to your Calendly homepage. With Zoom connected, let's add it to an event. Choose any event type or workflow you want to use for meetings. Click the settings icon for that event, then select Edit. Inside the event editor, find the location section. Here, choose Zoom as the location. If you see a prompt to connect, follow it. Once complete, Zoom will be set as the meeting location for that event type. From now on, whenever someone books this event, Calendly will automatically create a unique Zoom meeting link and add it to the confirmation page, calendar invite, and notifications. That saves you from manually pasting links and reduces the chance of mix-ups. A few quick tips to make this work smoothly. If you schedule on behalf of teammates, each host should connect their own Zoom account to Calendly, so links are created under the correct host profile. If you run multiple event types, repeat the location step for each one where you want Zoom used. After setting this up, it's a good idea to do a test booking with a personal email to confirm that the Zoom link appears in the invite and that the time zone looks correct. If your organization uses advanced Zoom settings like waiting rooms or passcodes, those preferences from Zoom will carry over to meetings created by Calendly. That's it. You've connected Zoom to Calendly and set your event to automatically generate Zoom links for every booking. Happy scheduling!